Hi, we are the group doing a movie platform project. We're a group of three. Um, I'm Qiuyuan Zhang, and then my partners are Wenxin and Changchen. So the problem statement is that there are a lot of people going to movie theaters without knowing any information about whether the movie is good or not. And then they would like to know this beforehand before they buy the ticket. So our solution is to create a movie review platform where users who have seen the movie can comment on whether the movie is good or bad, and they can also provide a rating for the movie. Introduce a bit about our tech stack and data model. In our GitHub repo, we have a README file which describes most of the architecture of our work. For tech stack, we use Angular version 7 for the front end and MongoDB for backend. We served our front-end and backend repos on Heroku to be publicly accessed, and then we version controlled our work using Git repo. We used a public API called the movie database, and then we have shared our API key here. An example of usage for the API is also listed. For our data model, we have several different classes. We have movie class that has detailed information about movie, and then also a link to the database movie ID. And then we have a movie can have a list of comments. A comment is created by user. User and admin are the two type of user classes that we have. They both implement the user interface. Basic user have username, password, first name, last name. They can leave comments. They can rate movies. They can also follow other users. So user and other users are so following is a many-to-many relationship between users. And for admin, there are some specific rights that an admin has and basic user doesn't. Admin can remove comments that are posted by user. User can also reply to other comments. Yeah, that's it. So now I will demo a little bit about our movie review platform website. So it is currently hosted at Heroku as its account website, webfinalmovie at heroku.com. As an anonymous user, you can view all the information about currently hot movies that are either going to be in theater or is there already. As an anonymous user, you can click on a movie and see the detail about how users of this platform has rated this movie, the release date, the length, language, a short overview, and other people's comment. But you cannot rate the movie yourself, you have to log in. And also when you try to write a review, you are forced to the login page. So to log in, we can try the account Alice. And you can see as Alice, you have a user profile page. In the profile page, you can see a list of comments that you have written for movies, and then when you click on them, you are linked to the review page that you have written, and then the comments that other people has posted. And you can see a list of your followers and then list of people that you have followed. You can click on them. You can click on Bob and see Bob's post. So at Alice's profile page, you can also see settings. In the setting, you can edit your name, email, or new password, and your image profile link, and also your description. So you can log out this page, and we can see some other features. we can search movies. For example, we can search Bat and then see a list of movies that are related to Bat. Or we can search hero to see a list of superhero movies. And if you click on the movie, you can see the detail of that movie as shown before. You can also register if you want to. And as admin, we can use admin username and admin password. When you are logged in as admin, you see most of the same things, but if you go into the movie, you can have the power to delete comments. That is only limited to admin accounts.